Hello Internet, I'm your host Chet Siegel, and here are 10 facts you didn't know about sex. A single teeny tiny sperm contains 37.5 megabytes of DNA information. That means that the average male's ejaculation contains about 15,875 gigabytes worth of information that just gets shot straight into a tissue. Birth control pills alter a woman's sense of smell, and so much so that it can affect the kind of men she's attracted to. 1 in 2,000 babies are born with genitalia so ambiguous that a sex specialist needs to be called in for decision-making. Oxytocin, the hormone that your body releases when you snuggle, has been proven to increase a man's sex drive. So, snuggling is the new little blue pill. According to Pfizer, Viagra was Googled 24 million times last year, and most often it was in the phrase, "buy Viagra." Oral sex was illegal in Canada until 1969, so if you were a Canuck, you couldn't 69 until 69. Having sex on a regular basis is incredibly good for your body. It can help cure insomnia, it relieves pain, and it can reduce your risk for cancer, type 2 diabetes, depression, erectile dysfunction. Yeah, erectile dysfunction. So you gotta use it so that you don't lose it, fellas. If you're over 50, very strenuous sex can cause transient global amnesia or temporary memory loss. So the next time one of your parents forgets something, I dare you not to remember this little scarring piece of information. You're welcome. Semen naturally induces labor. So ladies, it got you into this mess and it can help get you out of it. Only a third of women can have an orgasm from heterosexual intercourse. So yeah, just 1 in 3 can get off from plain old P in the V. Alright guys, I hope you learned something today. I've been your host, Chet Siegel. If you liked what you saw, click that like button on down below, shoot this link to a couple of your nearest and dearest, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good one.